Welcome back. Now, in order to embed your Amazon S3 video into a static HTML site, you are going to need a player. Unfortunately, you won't be able to use it with the native link from Amazon, whether or not it is through Cloudberry or directly from Amazon S3. If you search for a free HTML video player, you're going to find a number of alternatives. And for example, you'll see that there are several compilation articles here. One example of a player that we can embed with our Amazon S3 link is Video.js. Video.js has the code that we need, and all we'll need to do is we'll need to grab this entire code and copy it. We'll need to put that embed code inside of our HTML site. The only thing that we're going to need to change is obviously we're going to need to get a direct link to our MP4 video from our Amazon S3 account. We'll want to make sure that this video has read access. We'll then want to grab the web URL. We then want to place that URL inside of the code. Once we do that, then we will save the file and our video should be ready to play. Now there is one other thing that you're going to need to do. There's a message in the code that says to enable JavaScript. If you want to disable that message, you can delete that message so that your video will play inside of your file. And once you've embedded your file, it'll then be ready to play for your video visitors. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another